I received and tested the Protescreen AR Plus iPad Paper Screen Protector for my iPad, and I can't wait to tell you everything about it. It comes in a very safe box with instructions to install it and accessories. The accessories include the installation kit with a cloth with alcohol, adhesives, and a tool to eliminate bubbles. I didn't have trouble installing the Protescreen AR Plus on my iPad and keep watching to check how I did it successfully. Look how I could install with no bubbles at all. Also, there's a detailed video available, and the link is on the description. The Protescreen AR Plus is a multi-layer paper screen protector with thin film interference technology, which reduces the screen reflection. This is great to read and study even under strong light conditions. It also improves the visual experience by providing a clearer screen with the protector on. And the best part for note-taking, it imitates the paper texture and does not wear off the Apple Pencil tip fast. I've been testing daily for more than 1 week for digital pen and note-taking, and I couldn't notice significant effect on the Apple Pencil tip. Also, it doesn't scratch easily, as stated by the Protescreen, so it will last longer. The Protescreen AR Plus for iPad is also efficient to avoid fingerprints, so I don't have to clean my iPad screen all the time while using it. This is also a tool that makes a difference to a smoother and better writing experience on the iPad screen. It is much better than writing on a slippery glass, as it provides a surface very similar to paper. You can find a link to get your Protescreen AR Plus iPad paper screen on the description of the video. And even more exciting, use the coupon Rafaela to get your Protescreen with 20% discount. Let me know in the comments if there's something else you would like to know about it. Please also like this video if it's useful for you and share it with someone who needs to get to know this.